Inglourious Bastards is a bold, ruthless alternate history war epic that mixes vengeance, dark humor, and cinematic style to deliver one of the most unforgettable reimaginings of World War II. When brutal Nazi occupation crushes hope and justice, a fearless Jewish-American strike team, led by the fierce and crafty Lieutenant Aldo Rain, emerges from the shadows. Their mission is nothing short of vengeance: to hunt down Nazis, scalp them, and strike fear into the heart of the Third Reich. Simultaneously, a courageous young Jewish woman, owner of a Paris cinema, shapes her own deadly plan of revenge for the slaughter of her family. As fate draws these two plots together, the film converges at a movie premiere attended by the highest-ranking Nazi officers. What begins as a glamorous night of propaganda turns into a cinematic battleground. Bullets fly, alliances shatter, betrayals sting, but the bastards and their ally are ready. In a blaze of violence, smoke, and retribution, the cinema becomes a pyre for evil. Director's signature long dialogues, tense builds, shifting loyalties, and brutal payoffs transform history into a gladiatorial stage. Each character, from cold-hearted Nazis to desperate survivors, from undercover agents to fearless avengers, is driven by pain, anger, hope, or survival. The cinematography recalls pulp war films and spaghetti western carnage. The tone swings between brooding tension, black comedy, and savage justice. Inglourious Bastards doesn't aim for realism, it aims for catharsis. It asks, what if history had a different ending? And whether you're here for vengeance, redemption, or explosive action, this film rewrites the past in fire and blood, delivering a revenge fantasy packed with moral reckoning, raw courage, and unforgettable brutality.